Hello everyone, welcome back and happy to see you on Technical World. Today in this video I'm gonna show you the solution for Safari keep crashing on iPhone and iPad after or before iOS update. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Solution number 1. Force close Safari app and force restart your iPhone. For that, double tap on home button and force close the Safari app and all the apps that are running in the background, and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. After the forced restart, we go for solution number 2. Clear history and website data for Safari. For that, launch settings, then find and tap on Safari. Under Safari, we have to tap on clear history and website data and tap again clear history and website data in pop-up window to confirm your action. Now we go for solution number 3. Check your internet connection. Just launch settings, tap on Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi and wait for a couple of minutes, and after that turn on back. Same thing do with the cellular data. Now we go for solution number 4. Reset network settings. First launch settings, then tap general and tap reset. Now tap reset network settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset network settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. Now we go for solution number 5. Check the latest version of iOS. To check that, first launch settings, connect to Wi-Fi, then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available for your iPhone. The final solution, reset all settings. Launch settings, tap general and tap reset and tap reset all settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset all settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. This process will delete your all customized settings to default settings, but no data or media will be deleted. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.